Introducing the Origami Pinwheel Ninja Star, and look how long it spins. Check this out. That is a good spinner. So you can fold it from a sheet of foil, and you can also fold it from a sheet of kami, and you'll get one like this. And it also spins for a long time. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. Okay, guess I'll use blue. Okay, and you could also use a sheet of printer paper cut square, and you'll get a model that looks like this. And you don't need to make a ninja star on it because you're not going to really see it on there. So this is what you'll get, and this also spins really good. Look at that. So let's begin right side up, and let's fold in half. Okay, unfold, and let's fold in half the other way. Okay, unfold, and now fold the two sides to the crease. And rotate, and repeat. Okay, and now fold these two sides to the middle. Alright, and repeat on this side. Okay, so we have the square here, and now let's fold the square diagonally in half. So take this point and fold it to this point, and hold the layers down so they don't slide. Okay, unfold, and now when you unfold it, just separate these 2 points like this. And that's what it looks like. Okay, and now take this point and fold it to here, so we're doing it in the other direction. And hold it down, and just fold like this. Okay, unfold, and now comes a little fun step. We're going to take this layer here and just pull it out like this. I'm sure you guys already know how to make a pinwheel. And repeat here. Yeah, it starts with the traditional pinwheel, and then we're going to make it into this. So really, this is optional. Okay, and repeat here, and here. Like that. Okay, now fold one flap up like this, and fold this one down. And there's the pinwheel. So if you want to stop here, that's fine. But now, if you want to make this spinning model with the ninja star on it, then here's how to do that. So it's a little bit more tricky, but it's not that hard though. We're going to take this edge and fold it to the crease. And unfold and do that 3 more times. Okay, and now we're going to wrap it here. So pinch together like this, and do that with the other 3. Alright, so we have it like this, and now let's just bring everything together like this, and flatten like this. Alright, now flatten it like this. So here we have like a boomerang kind of thing here. And yeah. Okay, now, if you want to put the ninja star on it, then here we go. I think the ninja star is optional, so if you don't want a ninja star on the pinwheel, then you don't have to do this, but if you do want to make the ninja star on it, then here we go. Okay, so if you're using paper that's the same color on both sides, like printer paper or something like this, then don't do this. Skip ahead to this point. Or if you really want to make that ninja star, then you can color it on at the end. So if you don't want to do that, then skip to this point. But I'm sure you want to make the ninja star. So here we go. You don't want just the pinwheel, because that's boring. Okay, we're gonna take this raw edge like this, and we're gonna fold it up so that this point touches this edge, and we want the fold to anchor at that point right there, where that crease hits the edge. And try and make sure it comes to a nice clean point there. Or maybe you don't have to do it directly at the crease, you can just leave about maybe just a hair of space right there. Because, you know, if you accidentally fold it, if it accidentally goes beyond the crease, your ninja star won't be very pointy. It'll look kind of ugly, so maybe at least to the crease is good. Okay, and repeat that all the way around. So yeah, so fold like this, so at this point touches that edge, and the fold should anchor maybe almost to the crease. But it probably wouldn't hurt if you fold it directly at the crease too. Alright, now let's do that 2 more times. And this one's a little bit easier because we're not folding under any layers. Oh, it kind of went behind. Okay, good. There you go. And there's the ninja star. Alright, so we have a ninja star boomerang. I don't know if this flies actually. Give it a try and see. But okay, let's turn over. Let's turn into the pinwheel. So fold this up like this. And take this edge and fold it to this line. Okay, turn over. Bring this on top. Like this. Be careful so you don't rip the paper right there on that point. Because I think on one of them I made, I accidentally ripped it a little bit. Okay, now take this and fold it up like this. And fold this up over the edge. Unfold, and now here's the tricky part. Well, not really. We're just going to tuck it inside, so open this, not into that slot, but open this slot. So lift that folded edge up and just insert the flap into the slot. Like that. And there it is. Alright, now let's do that 3 more times. And I'm going to fast forward this part. So if you need help, then rewind back to here. Alright, now let's do that. Just use the desk and just I'm just going to use the desk here and just flatten everything. And just flatten it against like that. Make sure this is really flat. Like this. Alright, so to make it spin on the table, you just make sure that this side touches the table, and you spin it like this. Yeah, and for some reason it spins for a really long time. It's like a fidget spinner. See? This one might spin for a little bit longer because this is heavier paper. So if you use heavier paper, it'll spin longer. It can also spin if you make this side touch the table, but not quite as well though. And it's a little bit harder too. But yeah, it spins okay, but it spins best like this. Yep, and what's also cool about it is that you can make it spin, and you can take an origami lollipop and put it in the middle and it stops it instantly. Isn't that cool? Let's do it again. Here, I'll do it with this one here. Yep. And this lollipop I'll teach in a separate video right here someday. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, I hope you guys were able to make that and enjoy spinning it. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.